Waterfront 5-bed/2.5-bath condo nestled in the award-winning Sajo Farm Community. As you enter, you re-greeted with tons of natural light and open floor plan that offers both comfort and convenience. Upstairs, the luxurious primary ensuite has its own balcony overlooking the pondw/fountain. His and hers walk-in closets. Bathroom has soaking tub, double vanities, water closet, separate shower. 3 more bedrooms, upstairsshare full bathroom. Downstairs, another bedroom perfect for guests or office. Dining room is off the kitchen. Large family room has cozy gas fireplace. Spacious kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, plenty cabinet storage, bar and kitchen nook. Just off the kitchen and large family room is covered patio with fenced-in yard overlooking pond west/fountain. Enjoy maintenance-free living, clubhouse, fitness room, pool, playground, kayak/canoe launch west/dock, nature trails. Close to restaurants, shopping.